This is a funny situation. 2014 Ford F-150 with the 5.0. It has a misfire. We traced it back to the camshaft position sensor on the exhaust side. We put a small oscilloscope, and we see the pattern. The pattern looks a little bit, it looks semi-acceptable, but as you can see, it's not smooth. It's got that right there, that small jump. You shouldn't see the overlay. And what gives it away is this. We got a fault, yes fault, no fault. And the opposite side, which is the